Hello everyone, welcome back to Trinity Academy. This is Christabel Dana. Today let us build an interactive sales dashboard using Python, Streamlit and Plotly. With interactive dashboard, we can explore, analyze and interact with the data using filters and charts. To make this happen, we will use Streamlit, and with Plotly, we can create beautiful interactive charts. So let's dive right into the code. We are starting with essential libraries, Streamlit for data analysis and dashboard interface. Pandas is used for data handling. Plotly is used for stunning visualizations. Install this with the pip if you haven't already. Use the command pip install Streamlit Pandas Plotly. Okay, after importing all these packages, next we can set up our Streamlit page and give the dashboard a title. So Streamlit imported as st.setPageConfig method, and we are giving the page title using the argument page underscore title equal to sales dashboard. Then we can give a heading for this using st.header method, interactive sales dashboard. You can add emojis to this Windows operating system. Press Windows key and dot. So this will be open. So you can make use of any of these emojis. Just press it and it will be inserted here. Okay. Now we need to load our dataset. We are going to use a CSV file called online sales data. The CSV file contains 240 rows and we are interested in these columns: product category, total revenue and region. Okay. Let us load this dataset and we'll get the data frame df using pd.read underscore CSV method, and make sure you're giving the same file name, online sales data.csv. Our Python file is dashboard.py. It is present in d::pycharm projects. In the same location, d::pycharm projects, this file should be present. Okay. To make this dashboard interactive, we will add filters in the sidebar where users can select regions and product categories. We can have a sidebar using st.sidebar method. Include a header for that sidebar.header. Here we have the heading as filter data. Okay, you can include an emoji. Now we will create a multi-select drop-down in the sidebar so that users can select one or more regions as well as one or more product categories. So we are going to have two filters, region filter and product category filter. Region filter is obtained by using st.sidebar dot user can select one region or multiple regions. So multi-select. The first argument will be the label select region or regions. Second argument is options, which is an iterable options equal to. This actually defines the full list of choices that the user can select from. Here df of region dot unique. This will get all the unique regions from the dataset. Okay. Then the next parameter is default. Default equal to same value df of region dot unique. Actually, default defines which choices are selected by default when the app first loads. So in our case, all the regions are pre-selected by default. Users can change them later if they want. Okay. Now, similarly, you can obtain the product filter. Product filter equal to, using the st.sidebar.multi-select, instead of df of region, you can just give df of product category. Here, let us give the label as select products, and here it is df of product category. We select this and paste it here. For default also, product category dot unique. Next, using these filters, we slice the data so users only see what they want. The goal is to filter the original data frame df so that it includes only the rows where the region is one of the user selected regions and the product category is one of the user selected product categories. So let us store that result in a new data frame called filtered df equal to, from the df we are interested in user selected region. So df of region is in region filter. It means that this will display the data with region equal to region filter only. Okay, and we also give another condition using the AND operator. df of product category is in product filter. Okay, Now let us display some key metrics, that is total revenue and average revenue. Let us call the method st.markdown. This markdown allows us to style the text easily. Give the heading like region selected by the user and the product selected by the user. Let me make use of f string. I want a small heading, so I'm giving 5 hash symbols, and then region selected will be available in region filter, right? And also I need to get the products selected, so let us insert a new line \n and then 5 hash symbols and product selected colon product underscore filter. Now we need to call st.metric to display the total revenue and average revenue for this particular region selected and the product selected. We'll create two columns side by side using st.columns method. Let me name it as column1 comma column2 equal to st.columns. Two columns are created. Use with statement with column1. Here we are going to find out the total sales, total underscore sales. This is calculated for the filtered DF only. In the data frame filtered DF, we need the total revenue sum. Okay. Now st.metric contains two arguments, label and value. We are giving total revenue as the label and the corresponding value is the total sales. Let me give f string dollar total sales, and I just want to display two decimal places, so it's colon 0.2f. Okay. Similarly, column 2. Let me copy this, and column 2 we are calculating the average sales. Total revenue dot, here you can call mean function, and this label is average revenue, and here average sales. Now let us execute and check the output. In order to run the Streamlit app, give this command streamlit run dashboard.py. Your app will open in the default browser. So page title sales dashboard, and here in the sidebar we have this filter data to select region and product. Here is the heading interactive sales dashboard. If you remove any product, for example beauty products are removed, so here the total revenue and average revenue is changed. Okay, similarly remove a particular region. If you want to check for region Asia alone, the total revenue and average revenue changes. Fine. So here you can stop it by pressing Ctrl C. Okay. Now we need to plot the charts. We'll add tabs to compare the revenue by product and region. Two tabs, tab 1 comma tab 2 is created using st.tabs. Here it takes the sequence as an argument. First element will be the sales by product. We are going to plot a bar chart for sales by product, and second element will be the sales by region. For region, let us plot a pie chart. Here you can give emoji. Okay, now with tab 1, let us give the heading for it st.subheader sales by product. So before plotting the bar chart, let us obtain the data for it. Let me name it as product underscore data equal to filtered df dot group by the product category. This means that it will group the filtered data by the column product category, and then total revenue column. We need to find out the sum of the total revenue. Okay. After grouping, product category becomes the index. So in order to turn it back into a normal column, you can make use of reset underscore index method, so that our result will be a data frame. It is easy to work with and plot. Okay. Now use plotlist px dot bar chart. Data frame should be passed first, product underscore data. Then second argument, x-axis is the product category. Y-axis will be total revenue. We have an argument color. In this case, product category itself, because we give unique colors for each and every product category. Then text is equal to, this will display the text information directly on the bar. So total revenue. Let me save this in variable called figure 1. Now we need to plot this using st.plotly underscore chart. The argument to be passed as figure 1. We have got the bar chart. Similarly, you can plot the pie chart in tab 2. With the tab 2, give the heading as sales by region. Instead of product category, give region here. Change this as region underscore data. Here this is figure 2 and px dot pie chart. The first argument is the data frame region underscore data, and there is no x and y axis here. Here we have names equal to. Names should contain column names region, and the corresponding values will be the total revenue. And title is equal to sales by region. st.plotly chart, pass figure 2 as an argument. So that's it. Let us execute it. It will be opened in a new tab. We can see the tabs here. By default, all the products are displayed. So totally 6 products are there, each represented by a unique color. If you keep the cursor on the bar chart, it will display the product category as well as the total revenue. Okay, if you want, you can remove a product and create the bar chart for the remaining products. So if you remove a particular region, bar chart differs. Okay, this is for sales by product. Sales by region, it shows North America and Asia. Here let us include Europe also. Okay, this is for only 5 products. Let us add the missing product, books also. So this is the overall pie chart. That is region and its corresponding total revenue for all the product categories. And that's it. We have just built a powerful interactive sales dashboard in Python using Streamlit. It is perfect for sales teams or anyone who loves data. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python and data science content. See you in the next one.